Tommy Lee Sparta, attorney to file documents in order to secure the entertainer release. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Below 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. The attorney representing dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta has vowed to make an oral application and file a habeas corpus before the St. James Parish Court yesterday if the police don't release his client Tommy Lee Sparta. A habeas corpus is a writ requiring a person under arrest to be brought before a judge or a court, especially to secure the person's release unless lawful grounds are shown for his detention. The Spartan Soldier singer was scheduled to have two question and answer segments that was scheduled for yesterday at 11 a.m. The attorney, on speaking to reporters yesterday, said he was on his way there for the question and answer segment. My client was moved from Barnett Street to the Freeport police station yesterday, and that is where the question and answer segment is scheduled to be held, the attorney said. However, they want two different sets of detectives from Montego Bay CIB to question him, and that will schedule for 11 a.m. the attorney said, and the other will be at 1 p.m. and putting a habeas corpus on hold until the interviews are done, the attorney said. The attorney said it would be unethical to file a habeas corpus when his client had already agreed to a question and answer segment which was scheduled for yesterday. The attorney representing the embattled entertainer have stated though that if the artist is not charged or released that he will still file a habeas of corpus after the question and answer segment. Tommy Lee Sparta was detained since last Tuesday under the current state of public emergency imposed in St. James. Under this, the recording artist could be held for 90 days without being charged. The attorney further stated that they have not fingered him in the death of anyone, especially in the Montego Bay area. There are no conspiracy to murder allegations against the dancehall star. However, the police are just trying to see what they can pin on the entertainer, as stated by his attorney, based on the fact that they are asking vague questions about his involvement and his influence in criminal activities in Montego Bay. This is not the first time that the entertainer was taken into custody and has not been charged with any offense. However, in this current case, the attorney is trying to secure the artist's early release. We'll keep you up to date with this story. This has been Links of 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one.